If 60/40 is broken, how do I protect myself in 2024? Briefly.
Yeah, well, guess what? I work for a large alternative asset manager, and the answer is alternative assets, which is a surprise,
shocker.
Isn't it? I would say that, I mean, look, there's an asset class that doesn't help my my employer, and that's cash. I think that has a real value, it has an overlooked value. You know, we have to be clear that for the first time in a generation that cash yields something interesting, and that's useful for short-term periods if you're worried about corrections or downdrafts. It isn't useful over the long run. Ultimately, it's unlikely that cash is going to give you a return in excess of inflation. So you have to find things that diversify from traditional assets. You have to find things that give you a return above inflation. If you go back to the 70s, which was a period when 60/40 didn't work, it didn't really exist then, but if you go back and do it in time, which we've done, 60/40 didn't work. Ultimately, the positive correlation of those two asset classes compounded each other, so you had periods when it was amazing and periods where it was terrible.
Right.
But if you put alternatives into that mix, which we've done, you know, you can put trend in, you can put equity long short, the diversification benefit is exceptional.